Amelia. How are you doing today? Are you wearing your new Angels onesie that Aunt Shelley got you? Yeah? Are you being an angel right now? I'm being pretty calm. What's today? Today's July the 10th, 2012. I'm almost 6 weeks old, Amelia says. Look at that. And my rock and play, which is one of my faves, right? You trying to say something?
She got hiccups.
Oh, those hiccups. Oh, I get hiccups all the time, she says. Say hi. Say hi, Grandpa. This video is for you.
Hi, Aunt Jen.
Hi, Aunt Jen.
Hi, Aunt
Hello, everybody.
Hi, Aunt Jen.
Hi, Aunt Shelly. Hi, everybody. Are you waving? Yeah. Did you wave? Wave to your peeps. You're so cute. You got your Dagwood hairstyle going on again. Dagwood from Blondie. All right. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.